Hello everyone, welcome to JKSSB Mock by Toppers. In this video, we will be covering the important current affairs for 8th of July. Who among the following was elected as Suriname's first woman president? इन चारों में से आपको बोलना है कि सूरीनाम की पहली वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट कौन इलेक्ट की गई. इज इट चंद्रिका प्रसाद संतोखी, जेनिफर सिमन्स, मेटिके फ्रेडरिक्सन और जॉर्जिया मेलोनी. The right answer for this question is Jennifer Simmons. She was elected as the first woman president for Suriname. She will be replacing Chandrika Prasad Santokhi. Mette Frederiksen, as you might be knowing, is the Prime Minister of Denmark. And Giorgia Meloni is the Prime Minister of Italy. Suriname is a country located in the South America, as you can see here in the picture, and its capital is Paramaribo. Which two countries were officially admitted as new members of BRICS-led New Development Bank? NDB बैंक जो है जिसका हेडक्वार्टर्स इन शंघाई, चाइना, इसमें और दो मेंबर्स ऐड किए गए हैं जिसका टोटल मेंबर्स अब 11 होंगे. इट्स ब्रिक्स का ये बैंक है. ब्राज़ील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. तो इन्होंने और दो मेंबर्स ऐड किए हैं इसमें ताकि उनको लोन्स दे सके डेवलपमेंट के लिए. तो इसका राइट आंसर इज़ कोलंबिया एंड उज़्बेकिस्तान. दीज टू हैव बीन एडेड टू द न्यू डेवलपमेंट बैंक. ऑलरेडी इट हैज़ इजिप्ट, बांग्लादेश, Algeria, UAE, and these four are already present. So Colombia and Uzbekistan have been added to New Development Bank, and New Development Bank's headquarters in Shanghai, China. It was developed or made in 2015. K.V. Kamath was the first president of New Development Bank. Right now the president is Dilma Rousseff. According to the recently published report by London-based Energy Institution, what is the India's rank in global biofuel consumption for 2024? हमको बताना है कि इंडिया की रैंक क्या है बायोफ्यूल कंजप्शन में. So India's rank in global biofuel consumption is 4th. First is USA, second is Brazil, third is Indonesia, and fourth is India. Biofuels आपको पता ही होगी, they are made from plant and plant based या plant derived sources. Examples आपको पता ही होगा जैसे बायोएथेनॉल और बायोगैस. India currently is the third largest producer of biofuels. USA is leading. USA is number one producer of biofuels. India is third largest producer of biofuels. So what is the rank of India in consumption? It is 4th. Who won the 2025 British Grand Prix held at Silverstone, United Kingdom? तो ये किसने जीता था? इसको जीता था लैंडो नॉरिस ने. He got the first. He drives from team McLaren. Second was Oscar Piastri, third was Nico Hülkenberg, and fourth was Lewis Hamilton. The first ever United Nations World Rural Development Day was celebrated on which date? So the first time Rural Development Day was celebrated, it was celebrated on 6th of July. Which state has announced development of Asia's largest jungle safari to boost ecotourism and promote wildlife? तो किस स्टेट ने अनाउंस किया है ये Asia's largest jungle safari? It has been done by Haryana for the Aravalli range. यहाँ पे ये सबसे एशियाज़ लार्जेस्ट जंगल सफारी ने अनाउंस कर लिया है इन द अरावली रेंज. Who received the key to city of Buenos Aires during a recent visit to Argentina? अगर आपने मेरे पिछले वीडियोस देखे होंगे तो मैंने बहुत बार रिपीट किया है. इसका आंसर आप इजीली गेस कर सकते हैं. उस आंसर बताने से पहले ये बता दूं, अर्जेंटीना की कैपिटल है ब्रूनोस Eris. And this key to steer was given to Mr. Narendra Modi. The term Grim Ityaz, recently mentioned in names, refers to which group of people? So this is again related to our Prime Minister's visit to 5 nations, and this term was used by our Prime Minister during a speech, Grim Ityaz. What does it refer to? Is it Indian indentured labour sent to British colonies, freedom fighters of India, tribal farmers, or British officers in India? The right answer is A. Indian indentured labour sent to British colonies. So he was talking to the Trinidad and Tobago. He was addressing people there. This term was used by him during that session or during that speech. Which state has become the first to use Face ID for ration? So this is very simple. This was done recently by Himachal Pradesh. This is the last question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? तो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल जिसका हेडक्वार्टर्स कहाँ दुबई में है, who has been appointed as the new CEO? The new CEO has been appointed as Sanjog Gupta. He will be replacing Geoff Eldries. Jay Shah is the chairman of ICC, and Roger Binney is the head of BCCI. So the right answer is Sanjog Gupta. So that was it. Thank you for connecting. See you in the next video.